Meaning of honeybee.
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 Honeybee. A honeybee is a type of bee that is known for its production of honey and role in pollination. Honeybees are social insects that live in colonies, with each colony containing one queen, worker bees, and drones. They have a complex communication system and are able to navigate long distances to collect nectar and pollen from flowers. Honeybees are important for agriculture and the ecosystem, as they help to pollinate many crops and wildflowers. However, they are facing threats such as habitat loss, pesticides, and diseases, making their conservation crucial for biodiversity and human food security.